What's up guys, Mookus here, bringing you some footage straight from the new Call of Duty, Black Ops 3. As you can tell, they've added new weapons already, such as the sniper rifle, this SMG, which I have suppressor on, and they added a large machete.
5, 4, 3.
They also added new graphics options, such as cartoonism, and they just made everything really cool. Added mini games and character customization. Yeah, this isn't working. So I'm gonna do the original purpose of this video. Yeah, what's up guys, look there. I don't know, the beginning of this video was like supposed to be a joke, but then I was like, wait, this isn't funny, this is stupid. So then I decided, like, no, I'm not gonna do that, no. Oh no, sentry gun. What will I ever do? Oh lord. Oh my god. Stop air blasting me, you're a bot. You're not supposed to. Well yeah, I'm playing with bots today because, you know, I don't feel like connecting to online servers. Online servers are boring. But you might be wondering, Lucas, what's up with your loadout? Why is it so weird? Well, I'm the Schnelldeer. And, well, I'm gonna link the original video where Schnelldeer came from in the description below. But Schnelldeer is the fastest thing in Team Fortress 2, other than a babyface blaster scout. The thing with the Schnelldeer is that you need to get the damages and up the the conch shell. Once that happens, since it has an area speed boost on all players, and I have an equalizer, so when you pop the and then you would have to damage yourself. Wow, that was terrible. That was terrible. But you would have to damage yourself. So you can have the escape plan too, and you'll just move at like the speed of Mach 495. Oh, hopping gates like that. Ooh, you like that, my man? Ooh, going fast. Cause I gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Woohoo! That was a really loud explosion. Crits, the crits. The crits. Okay, there we go. Now let's damage ourselves, get us in the red, pop the conjurer, and then this is fun. This is fun. The crits.
Ends in 60 seconds.
Oh, I got the loose cannon. My fingers through the bone. And there's just a strange sticky bomb launcher. The ham. Woo! Why did they do that? And why are we losing so badly? We haven't even capped it once. Whoa!
We have captured the control point.
Would you like die or something? Die! There's always a shotgun. Okay, I'm taking a picture. That actually looks really cool. Let's see if I can get any reserve shooter in action. That was terrible. You know what? We're losing so badly. I'm going scoot. can't do it.
Mission ends in 10 seconds.
We gotta cap the point. We can't like lose this indefinitely. No. No, this will not happen. I won't stand for it. No. No. No, this. No. 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 We're capping it. We're capping it. We're capping it. There's nothing they can do against it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, boom. Human revolution. You're dead, son. Maybe no, bonk. God, fine. I'll do like my original. No. I'll do my original plan. Gentlemanny of leisure. What are you doing? You corner creeps. What are you doing?
Alert. The control point is being
I can tell you're playing with bots. Ubercharged shovelger. Go faster, switch weapons. Just. That is pretty amazing. What I've noticed that they buffed, I believe, the reserve shooter. Now you can fire four projectiles. Ooh, whoa, whoa, getting crazy. Come here. Come here. Thanks. I think I've done the impossible. I'm bad at playing Pyro. I don't like Pyro that much. It's like, if I had to choose a least favorite class, I would have to choose Pyro. I don't like playing as Pyro. Like, at all. Just don't like it. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Oh, right in the saw. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get. Oh my god, I have no idea what's going on. It was terrible. It was very terrible. Let's go back to Call of Duty Sniper.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
They never respawn. Or, you know, if they don't cap it. What's that engineer doing? I don't know. I don't care. As long as he's definite ending. Oh my god, are they really gonna cap it? Are we just like gonna let this happen? No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm going in! Yep, they got it. Well, that's junk. What is this sniper doing? Sniper. We're gonna be going at it again. Alright. Alright. No, not using super bomb launcher. Using splendid screen. No, I'm not using that either. I'm using charge and charge. It does look really cool. God, I suck at that. I can't even, like, loose cannon and jumping.
The point is now available for capture.
Oh, I did it that time. I was out of there, son. Never mind. Alright, never mind that plan. I'm just gonna go speak and... So we get black slabs. Whoa! Brr. Dude, yeah, disguised as a sniper. Blue sniper coming out of red spawn. That's not suspicious at all. Yeah. Is that a blue spawn? No. But what is he doing? If somebody can make a remix of what I just did, please do it. Oh no, you're not a spy. I need to do this. This needs to happen. Speak. Uh-oh. Please don't kill me. Uh-oh, he killed me. Hi, Dern. Why would you, like, turn around? Why? Just, like... What? Never mind, spy's not a good idea. Maybe... And let's see how many double launches we can get. Oh, we're holding it first this time. God, never bring bots to somewhere where they're moving trigger hurt deaths. Like, never do that. Terrible idea. Let's see. Oh my god. Really? Really? Fine, Demo Knight. Never mind, I'm going Olapool Caber annoying demo of death. And what are you doing? He's gonna get killed by the saw. Yep, there he went. Whee! Whee! Hi, Darren. That broke my legs. He didn't die. He didn't die. Let's see. Oh yeah, I've learned that you can do this, and it looks really, really weird. That's why I wear these. And my sharp Bushido. Yeah, boy. Oh my god! This is the second time in this video. Oh yeah, I'm with that. Oh no, the skybox! The skybox! Uh-oh. Going after him, going after him! Got him! Okay, going to Demo Knight, which I was originally gonna do. I am like full out Samurai Knight though. My strange Bushido. My genuine Moonpoo. And my Samurai. I want an unusual Samurai. So I kind of like... I have an arrow in my shield.
We have captured the control point.
Cool. But yeah, Civilization 5 just won't upload. You suck. That was absolutely horrible. I might not be uploading for a while. Actually, what am I talking about? I don't know. I don't know. I'm running out of things to talk about. Because I keep dying. Going for the market gardeners. God, I can't even like select a class. Let's see, let's get my... No, not my strange skill streak, my notable dangerous. Alright, now I'm going ham. Charge! Yeah, charge. Go, go, go! God, I'm terrible at this. Where'd my medic go? My medic left, but I killed like 3 of them. Wow, I like emptied the point. That was great. I need to get a market gardener before this is all over. He's got his chopper. He got a chopper. He disguised as a pyro, and it made the noise of it as if he pulled out a flamethrower. I hope that was recorded, because that was weird. Oh, their pyro's dead. Come on, crits, crits, crits. One of these be crits. I didn't even rocket jump there. That was a terrible idea. As is this. Now I'm gonna take like no damage from rocket jumping. Give 'em hell, boys. Okay. Oh, come on, stop playing Goat Simulator. Oh, just be. Oh, Lord. Oh, what is going on? Oh, jumping, jumping, jumping. Oh, missed all of that. Alright, that sniper is my prey. Going for it, going for it, going for it, going for it. Oh, he's got the chopper, he's got the chopper. But it doesn't matter. Because this is the end of the video. I know it was probably pretty short, but still. Hope you enjoyed. And, yeah. Let's end it on some kills, let's end it on some kills. Well, I killed myself. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Sub today to enlist in the Mookus Empire.